Hi viewers, so this is 2023 Tundra 1794 and I'm here to do an oil change today, and this is the underneath of the truck. Pretty much this is the drip pan. This is where the engine oil is. So obviously, sorry for the noise. I'm in a military base, craft and auto shop where everybody works on their cars, so it's kind of noisy. There's a lot of noise out here. So yeah, just like I was saying, you take out this. Before then, you have to take out this pan right here, plate, skid plate. I lifted my truck, so I have a skid plate, and the filter is somewhere here. That's the filter right there. And before you can access that, this skid plate also has to come up. And once you're done, we're taking it out, you have to go in the reverse order. So this comes up first, and then this second. Or you can take this first, or this second, whichever way you want. Stay tuned. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you subscribe, you like, you comment. More videos to follow.
So this is the filter. And as you can see this, when you take off the filter, you're gonna have a lot of oil draining here. So you can choose to put holes in here. So once the oil drains, it will go through the holes and then into your drip pan. But if you don't have that, maybe you have to shuffle rods in here. You take this, you're gonna the oil is gonna drip on the rods, or you can just choose to leave it. Once you're done, you clean it inside here, whichever ways it works for you. But the filter is located on the right side, the driver side. That's where you gotta take it out. So as you can see, I tried to use the hose, but I think the hose is too small for that. So, well, I guess I'll try not to make a mess, but make a little mess, you know. I'm gonna use one hand to hold it tight like that, whilst I use one hand to untwist the filter. It's already loose, so that's sort of, and then I'll put one hand of the hose into this spring here. So as you can see, the filter is off, but the option I tried didn't work out because the hose was, the tip or the hose was too small for this. So what I tried the second option, which is to put it right here. Now this is a rag. It absorbed a bunch of the oil, so I didn't make a mess other than here. So now I just have to prep, clean out the surface here, put in the new filter. I'm going to put the new filter in here. Already wipe it down a little bit. Wipe it down more, put the clean or the new filter on here. I have 8 quarts of oil, and this is the filter. So now I'm going to replace the filter. Just in time. First I put a little bit of oil in this before I put it in there. Filter is back on, and as you can see, the area is clean from oil. You don't want to see any smoke or the car catching more dirt when you ride through, because if you have oil, the probability of catching more dirt in here will be high. So make sure you clean it as much as possible. In there, drip pan plug is on, sealed, well clean. When you put it in a bag, make sure you do it in the reverse order. So now the next step is to put the plates back on. This is where the oil goes. In case you don't know what kind of oil your car or your truck use, it's always written on top, or in case you don't know where the oil goes, it says right here on top. If you go to AutoZone or anywhere to get a car part, you tell them your car make a model year, they're going to tell you what kind of oil your car uses. So what I'm going to do now is to fill it up, and I'm going to open this one up. And because I don't want to make any mess, I'm going to use a funnel. Then I'm going to pour the oil in there. It's covered nice, so the oil is in, it's covered tight. Check the level, everything looks great. I checked the coolant. Coolant looks great. It's on the max point, so I don't need to fill it up. Windshield water fluid is good. I don't need to top it up. Now it's time to run the engine a little bit so the oil will circulate within the engine. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel, you like, you comment, and thank you for watching. Have a pleasant day.